there guys, I am making this video because I just spent probably what is a stupid amount of time trying to figure out how to see all of my subscribers because I just wanted to take a look at them and see like which of my friends had subscribed to me and stuff, and yeah, I was just curious, but for whatever reason I could not figure out how to look at all my subscribers without the old studio settings. So I just wanted to show people this because I even went on YouTube and tried to find another video that would show me how to do this, and there was nothing else that would show me how to do this. So I figured, whatever, I'm just going to make this really quick. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. I make videos about pretty much whatever I want. Oh my gosh, like, here's totally my channel. I'm a dork. Anyways, but, so this is it. This is how you see all of your subscribers for the most part, and I'll explain the for the most part thing here at the end. So what you want to do is you go to your main page and you go to manage videos. All right. And then if my internet is working, you just want to go to your dashboard. All right. And if you scroll down here where it says recent subscribers, all right, it's going to be right here, recent subscribers. Cool. All right, you want to go to see all. And then, and this was the problem. I was like, it's only showing me the recent ones. Like, it's just the recent subscribers, and I don't want that. So you go up here to the date, and you just go to lifetime. So you will see all of them. And it's a little bit easier too if you go down here to how many rows per page, and if you go to 50, which is the most you can have, and then I think it has updated it. Yeah, so it'll update it so you can see all of your subscribers, and then you just click over here if you want to go to more pages, and that is how you will see everybody who is subscribed to your channel. The only little caveat in this that kind of sucks is this part that says only includes users who have made their subscriptions public, which unfortunately is actually kind of a lot of them. So it's sort of a big pain in the butt to see everybody who subscribes to your channel. But that's basically it. That is, will get you pretty close to seeing who is subscribed. And yeah, so that's it. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make videos about all kinds of weird stuff, including reaction videos and pretty much whatever I am interested in, which is what happens when you have attention deficit disorder and you do filmmaking. So anyways, I hope this helps somebody out, and if you could give it a like and a comment, that'd be super cool, and I'll just see you guys around. Bye!